Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into photography, video making, tech gear review and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. What's up everybody? I'm Peter McKinnon here. No, I'm just kidding. Hello everybody and welcome back to my videos. Today I'm going to talk about one of what's supposed to be the best drone of 2019 or 2020. I'm talking about the SkyDio2. I've waited a lot before talking about this, but let's roll the intro first and let's get back to it. Imagine an intelligent drone that can follow you in a forest within trees and in a place where even an FPV pilot would have difficulties. Let's roll the presentation video. Waited a lot before doing this video. I mean, it came out nearly a month ago, and I was wondering how come YouTube creators like Casey Neistat, Peter McKinnon, Matti, and all the other YouTubers that I follow haven't reviewed it yet. And there's a reason for that. And the reason is that this is not a drone for us as creators. It's a drone for people who do sport, people who go on bikes. I mean, don't get me wrong, you can do beautiful images and I'm sure some of us as creators are gonna buy it and get it. You think you can use this with the SkyDio too? Don't think so. Probably they'll do one. It will be 2,000 or 3,000 euros. Is this a Mavic killer? I really don't think so. We're talking about a totally different product and I don't think it will compete with DJI. So I don't think it's a Mavic killer. That's a totally different product. I mean, we've seen from the product video that it has a remote and it can follow you wherever you go with the GPS, even though it loses track of where you are. It's an amazing product and an amazing piece of gear and technology. It was born by thanks to engineers that come from Google and Tesla, and it has all the fundings. It's an American product, and in a period like this where China and America are competing with political power, it's a product that could go really, really well. But I would never say it's a Mavic killer. It's a nice drone and it's good news for the drone market because 2019, for what concerns drones, it wasn't that exciting like 2018. $999 and you get a drone, and if you want to purchase a controller, you buy that apart, and if you want the remote, you buy that apart as well. So it's a selfie drone practically, and if I think on how many times I use a drone to track me, I don't track myself at all. I mean, I probably did that once when I was testing the Anafi, of course, when I was testing the Mavic. It's a feature that you use if you have, but I mean, it's not a feature that you use very often. I love shooting panoramas, I love shooting buildings whenever it's legal. I don't think that the SkyDio 2 would be able to fly legally in Italy. I mean, with all the new EU regulation coming in place, you cannot leave a drone to itself, even though they claim it's incredibly reliable. Probably the only place where I could fly it is in the field or in the open sea. And in the open sea and in the field, Mavic Pro 2 does an amazing job. So going back to the question, would I buy it? No. Would I play with that? Yeah, I would love to. So Mavic killer? No, not at all. Would I like to try it? Yeah. Would I buy it? No. I would rather wait for the Mavic Mini, which is supposed to come out very, very soon at the end of this month. I mean, that's what everybody's rumoring about. I haven't done a video on that because I've learned that speculating on these kinds of videos is not always a good idea. So guys, these were my thoughts for the drone we're talking about, for the SkyDio2. Great product in a great moment, and probably it will have a lot of success. But it's not a product for us as creator, or at least that's what I think. If you have different ideas, please let me know in the comment down below. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short thought video, and smash the like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys very soon with a very interesting video. I'm doing a collab with an amazing photographer. She gave me the chance of collaborating with her, and I will never stop thanking her. Bye, see you next time.